Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it and click Get Started. Click OK, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard and tap OK again. Choose Input Options and tap on LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick theme that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and wait. Now close it. And tap on Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!